Setting up exclusive tax is useful for different types of items from your menu that might have special tax rules. Overall, it helps your restaurant handle taxes and prices properly. In this video, we'll show you how to set up exclusive tax in your Sapaad POS. Before we start, make sure to disable inclusive tax. To do this, go to Setup, click Global Settings, and then select Others. Under Tax, ensure that Tax Inclusive in Item Price is switched off. To do this, contact support@sapaad.com for further assistance. Next, we can move on to adding a tax rate. Go back to Setup, Location Setup, and select the location you want to make changes to. Click on Menu Management, and then select Tax Rates. Make sure that the toggle switch for tax rate for item is enabled. Click on Add Tax Rate, and enter the name and rate of the tax. For example, value-added tax at 15%. If you want this tax rate to be the default tax at your location, select the Default Tax checkbox. Click Save. In the pop-up window, select Yes if you want this tax rate to be applied to all your menu items. Select No if you want this tax rate to be applied only to newly created menu items. Now, let's see this new tax rate. Navigate back to Menu Management. Click Menu. Here, you can see that the new tax rate is applied to all the menu items under the tax rate column. Next, we need to update the invoice template. You can do this by going back to Setup, Location Setup. Select the location you want to make changes to. Select Printer and Peripheral Settings, then click Print Settings. Click the Edit button for the invoice template. Scroll down to the Payments section and change the tax label to one that suits your region. Click Save. You can try creating a mock-up order and see this new tax rate in your invoice. And there you have it! You just learned how easy it is to set up exclusive tax in your Sapaad POS. Check out our video on applying tax rate to a specific menu item. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.